Welcome. What's going on? I am so pumped that we are back. I can't wait. I'm ready to rock and roll. So you want to click this Zoom here. Hopefully you're already in our Zoom right now. So once you click the Zoom button, you're going to hit Vipers and it's going to be in all caps. So make sure you hold the shift button to type in that password all caps. So here's Vipers right there. You type that in. Then we want to go to our modules. I like to click on the green modules button here and it's loading. And what we want to do, we're going to start creating a video game today. So we're going to hit create a video game. And it's loading. And we kind of see right here. So we're going to go through here and we're going to start creating our very first video game. Now we know computers are not very smart. And our challenge is to complete levels 1 through 8 here. And we're going to get to the point where we can create our own video games and share it with our classmates. They can say, is it too easy? Is it too hard? And kind of go from there. Now, we want to go to Codespark here. So we want to click on, we can either click on this button right here, the click button, or click right here. I'm just going to click on this one. I'm going to open it in a new tab. It's going to take us to Codespark. As we kind of go through here, the first thing we want to do, we want to click on the schools button. So it loads here. I'm waiting for it to load. And then we need to make sure, once we click that, we want to click on the students button because you're all students here. I'm still waiting for this one to load here. All right. Still, computers, they got upset at me because I said they weren't smart. Why do I always do that? But it's true. We are the smart ones. So we need to program these computers to do exactly what we want them to do. So I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. All right. Still not working. I might hit the refresh button here. Let's see. Oh, it just loaded right there. Of course it did. I tell you, computers, they are not that smart, people. You are the smart ones. All right, so I'm going to come back here. So we're going to click the students button here, and then we're going to type in our class code. All right, and so make sure you pay attention to what your class code is. All right, so ours is EJ BJC. So right here, let's see if it's loading. It's still thinking. Oh my goodness, this computer is not very smart. I think it's really mad at me today. All right, so I'm going to be patient here. All right, so we're going to type in our class code. And then once we do that, we're going to see this play button pop up here. And we want to click on the play button. I'm going to check to see. Oh, here we go. It's loading here. So right here, we want to click on our schools button. All right, we're going to click on students. And we want to click on the classroom code button. And we're going to type in our code. As I told you, our classroom code is right here, EJBJC. So BJC. I'm going to turn down my volume. All right. And then I'm going to hit the check mark. And it's loading. I'm waiting for it to load. And I see the play button here. So I want to click on this play button because I want to start creating my game. And I can kind of see my classes over here. All right, so I'm going to find my profile name here. I see STEM guy right here. All right, so I'm going to click on STEM guy. And then now I want to hit the create button. And I'm going to go to create, and we want to create a new game. Now, once we do that, we got to click create game because we want to create our first game here. And I see there is 8 levels that I need to complete. So you want to start on level 1, and you're going to work your way through here. So I'm going to click on level 1. So we're going to design and code our first game. Remember, you come up with the design for the games, and we got to get to that star. Now we're going to use our arrow keys to kind of move left and back there. You can use jump or the up button, and you can do a double jump here. So you can go through here, and we're playing games. We're learning like what goes into a fun game there. All right, people. So that is our challenge here. We're going to start creating games. And then if you get hurt, if you land on the spikes, I lost a heart. I got to get that heart. Watch out for this guy. He's shooting things. All right. Oh, no, get me out of there. All right. So right there, I'm getting all these starts. Try to get like all these things. I'm going to bounce up here. So we're going to learn what does it take to make a great game and then get the star. So level 1 is done. I can't wait to see what you come up with. It's going to be awesome, people. Hit the next button to go into the next level. It's going to be great, people. Let's start coding. Let's start creating those games. I can't wait to see you on Zoom today and get working.